So I was able to get a 43 in English despite being a math and sciencey student, and a lot of my friends who also were really good at math and science did not get study scores that they wanted to for English. They often fell in that 30 to 40 range, and that's because they never truly figured out how to get good at English. And it sounds weird like that, but it's honestly the truth. Now that the English exam is coming up, if you're a science and math student, which I know a lot of you guys are, this is how you actually go about doing English. It was, in fact, a lot harder back in my day because online resources didn't really exist. So it was all about writing practice essays, giving it to the teacher for feedback, then correcting that essay, kind of rewriting it, and then asking the teacher again. And I went through that back and forth process until eventually, like, the teacher was like, okay, this would probably get like a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10, which I guess probably did have some bias eventually at the end, but that was how to improve. You find out what the feedback is, and you actually have to improve at that feedback. So not only do you need to get feedback, but you need to improve at that feedback. Thankfully, these days learning VC English is significantly easier with online resources. So if you want to find this site, head to freeforvc.com, and then in the study hub, you can see VC English GPT. We've rebranded the whole site to Polar Bear Study, but it's still centric on VC English, and it helps you with every part. So you get a daily English bear test, you get essay marking, and this is the most important one. And we're also building some more features later. Also, let me know which subjects you want me to add to Polar Bear.